CapCut isn't just for trimming videos anymore. Their new AI Video Maker can literally create script to video, sync your music, add captions, and more, all in seconds.
So I will show you step by step in this tutorial that how to use this tool and how to make video using this amazing and powerful AI tool. So let's get started. First, you need to have a script for your video. You can also use this feature because there are many features, and one of them is you can generate a powerful script. But I will recommend ChatGPT if you don't have any idea how to use this feature within CapCut. So head over to the ChatGPT app and ask ChatGPT to write something like a short and brief script about anything. So then after that, you just open your browser and write CapCut. So you can use it online, and you can also use it for. You can also use their app that. Their official app for easy interface and smooth work. So as you can see, I have already downloaded their app. So you can download that app for easy interface and smooth work. And after that, you need to log in, because if you don't have an Gmail account, so you cannot use this feature. So it is necessary to be logged in to use this feature. And then you can see AI Video Maker in home section. So just click on AI Video Maker. So okay, now you can see that page there. Here you can see some option like instant AI video. So what is you need to do? Just enter your script and select a style to generate video with stunning images. And also you can brainstorm with AI. That means that you can generate brainstorm ideas, script, information, anything you want to write just using this feature. And also avatar video. You can also generate your custom avatar, and you can also choose one from their library to bring your script to life. And the fourth option that we can see, match media to script, and that is the best for that I think, because after generating your video, you will be able to replace that media, because the media which is automatically generated just for the preview. So you can replace later on with your own media to be uploaded from your computer or PC library. So now click on Instant AI Video. Okay, so after that you can see another page like Instant AI Video. Also, you can see multiple styles like realistic film, cartoon, 3D movie, photograph, and a lot of other styles. So you can choose one of them as per your need. And after that, aspect ratio you can see. So if you need short video or reel for TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, so you can select 9:16, and if you need long video, so you can select the first one. And after that comes entering script. So you can also generate script. Like for example, if you have your own script, so you can enter here. Just need to copy and paste. And if you don't have your own script, so you can generate here. Just enter your topic and then let the AI do its magic. AI will write complete a script for you. And then you can select the limit of video. For example, 1 minute video, 3 minute video, 5:30. And also you can select multiple, like here the voiceover speakers. So from the list you can see, you can select any of them that you need. So I have my own script, so I'm going to copy and paste just that script. And then copy, paste here the script that I have written already. So now you can see we need to select any speaker. For example, that is, I have choose. Well, and then just click on create button. And now you will see the magic to be happen in just few seconds. And there's few minutes like this ultimate takes some minutes like it depends on internet speed. So internet speed and the video length. Oh, so maybe it takes some minutes like 1, 2, 4, 7, and 3 minutes. So all the steps you can see. The step to be used in generating this video, like you see, split script or created voice or and generated media. Okay, so now you can see the video that we want to generate now has been generated by this amazing feature, and you can see the best result that provides this AI feature. And the best part that it is completely free, as I told you, that there is no limitation for the generating of videos. So you can generate unlimited videos per day and for free and for commercial use. And here you can see also a list like script. You can enter here your own script, like enter a topic, enter your key points, links, and and they will turn them into a script. Also, you can select duration of the video and minimic style more requirements like. And also minimic style like for funny, political, anything you want. And the second option are scenes. So you can see here you can generate your custom avatar, and here also available a list of avatar. So you will see here a lot of avatar, but now the internet's speed is a little slow, so that's why it couldn't load the avatar. And from here you can choose voice, like here are a number of speakers, so you can choose any of them you want. And you can also create your custom voices, and this is also the best feature in this. And media, generate media. Mature media, match stock media. And after that comes elements. And elements. You can choose caption template, like here are a number of templates, so you can change the template of captions. And also you can pick up any music hit that you want to add in your video. So the music and the sound effect will be added to your video. Ever seen your old black and white photos in full color? Just watch this. No Photoshop, no paid apps. Just one free AI tool. It's crazy easy. I've shown the full step-by-step guide in my long video. Don't miss it. Click the link in the description and bring your memories back to life. Even color. Ever seen your old black? Okay, so a video is ready, and now is the time to download the video. So just click on export, and you can edit more further if you need editing further. So just click on export, and now you can see you can name your file and the quality, recommended quality. And you can also faster export. Change everything from here, and resolution you can change, but it is recommended. And also you can change format, like you can see. and also frame rate. Everything you can change here for free. No need to switch pair version. So just click on export, and now just wait for a few seconds to be downloaded. So the video is going to be export, and in just a few seconds it will be downloaded. It depends on internet speeds. Okay, so our video exported, and now you can see it also been downloaded, so you can check it in your folder in your computer.
If this blew your mind, wait till you see what's next. I've tested 5 free AI video tools, and CapCut crushed most of them. Hit subscribe and check the next video. I'm exposing the best AI tools nobody's talking about.